butt on the couch.
Are you taping?
Gummy bears.
Gummy bears. Sour gummy bears.
Sour?
Yeah.
Oh my
Sour
god.
gummy bears.
Sour gummy bears.
I've never had these. They are strawberry walkers.
I know, that's why.
Oh, because you don't like chocolate,
No, I don't.
but you like strawberries.
To Lauren, love mom and dad.
It's tennis balls.
Little ones.
Little ones?
Lauren, you are so silly. You take so long to open a present.
Okay.
Stop throwing it on the ground. You're gonna throw it somewhere. Throw it in here.
Do I need hairspray?
Yeah.
Nice.
You like it?
I do. Alright.
And there's more. Hey. Oh, get it.
That's from. Who's that from?
That's from Dad.
There's like no way I'm gonna be able to open this.
Want scissors?
The anticipation is killing us. It's a flashlight.
Is it really?
No. You gotta make guesses.
Yeah,
It's
shake it and guess what it is.
Like,
It's a nitroglycerin capsule.
I can't guess. It's too small.
It's a magic wand.
Yeah,
It's
Dad.
Revlon.
What is it?
It's lipstick, right?
Oh, nice.
Dad got it for you.
Is it? Yeah. It's lip stain balm.
Nice.
I like it.
Daddy gets you the good stuff.
He does. To Lauren, love mom and
Guess
dad.
what that is?
Lotion.
Of
A
course.
book?
I actually guessed that from looking at it.
Face wash. I'm gonna guess. Yes.
Yes. You like Garnier, right?
I do, yeah.
What's it called?
Garnier.
Guess what that is?
I'm gonna guess gum. Because I like gum.
And you wanted some.
Yay.
Is it gum?
Yeah, gum. It's a clip, more importantly.
Clips gum.
Bubble gum.
Bubble gum. Oh, come on. She gets all the wrapping.
It's just to
on
Logan.
Oh.
Well,
Thanks.
I think there's a... Okay, yeah, you guys were supposed to get one of each. So I put that one in your stocking?
yeah, somebody was drunk last night.
Oh, stop it.
Oh, I can see
I
what
love
it
that
is.
shot of a garbage can. Awesome. You like that, Lauren?
I do, thank you.
Ah, this is awesome. It's double mint. It's I don't really know what it is.
Double mint gum.
Very
minty.
So it's double mint.
Did you try some already?
Yeah.
So is that everything in your stocking?
Yeah.
All right. Merry Christmas.